Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to export a drawing to a PDF. This is very useful for sharing your work and making sure others can view it easily. First, open your drawing in your design software and make sure everything looks correct, including layout, dimensions, and annotations. Next, go to the Export or Print option in the menu. Most software allows you to create a PDF from one of these options, so select PDF as your output format. After that, adjust your settings such as paper size, orientation, and scale to match your drawing requirements. Then, choose whether you want to export the entire drawing or just a selected portion. Once everything is set, click the Export or Save button, choose where to save the file, and give it a clear name. Finally, open the PDF file to check that everything looks correct and the quality is as expected. Subscribe to my channel